Good morning, children. Welcome to computer class. So we already started lesson 4, Windows 7 files and folders. Last class we discussed about files and folders. So what is a file? A data when stored together and saved is called a file, or file contain meaningful data. Okay, a file contains meaningful data. Okay, file is a collection of meaningful data. Then what about folder? Folder is a collection of files. Folder is a collection of files. Okay, and in Windows 7, Windows Explorer help us to create and manipulate files and folders, or create and manage files and folders. So what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a program that help us to create and manage files and folders. Understand? So today we are going to study what is Windows Explorer and how it works, and what is a file and what is a folder, how we can save a file in a folder. Okay, with the help of presentation I will demonstrate. Are you ready? Okay, good. So dear children, we are going to see what is Windows Explorer. In Windows 10, see, I am using Windows 10. In Windows 10, Windows Explorer is known as File Explorer. Windows Explorer is known as File Explorer. Okay, so for finding File Explorer, near the Start button, I can type File Explorer. Okay, in Windows 10. Actually, in Windows 7, it is known as Windows Explorer. The same thing in Windows 10 operating system, it is known as File Explorer. So in my system, I have installed Windows 10. So then Windows Explorer is also known as File Explorer in Windows 10. Okay, how can we take a File Explorer? We just need to type File Explorer in the search pane, so we can see File Explorer over here. Okay, so I just double click to open File Explorer. So this is the Windows Explorer window. Okay, File Explorer is also known as Windows Explorer. So Windows Explorer window will be like this. It has two pane. Actually, it is pane, not pan. This side is called right pane, and this side is called left pane. So Windows Explorer window is divided into two pane, left pane and right pane. Okay, so what is the difference between left pane and right pane? Okay, left pane shows all the folders and drives available in this computer. For example, see, you can see a C drive over here. This is a drive. Okay, and UCAM, term 2, EVS, all these are yellow color items are folders. Okay, so left pane contain all the folders and drives available in this computer, and right pane contain the files and the folders of folder that is selected in the left pane. നമ്മൾ ലെഫ്റ്റ് പാനിൽ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഫോൾഡേഴ്സിൻ്റെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡ്രൈവ്സിൻ്റെയോ അണ്ടറിൽ വരുന്ന ഫോൾഡേഴ്സും സബ് ഫോൾഡേഴ്സും ആണ് റൈറ്റ് പെയിനിൽ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യുക. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? സി ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു ക്ലിക്ക് C drive. When I click C drive, you can see so many folders in the right pane. Can you see? Apps, backup, Dell, all these are the folders available under the drive C. Okay, so under drive C, I have these folders, and see, when I click term 2, so this is a folder present in the left pane, and the files inside this folder term 2 is present in the right pane. Okay, we cannot see any files in the left pane. Left pane la namukku oru filesum കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഒരു ഫയൽസും കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. We can only see the drives and directories. The drives and directories present in the computer. ഇതിൽ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഫയലിന്റെ പേര് കാണാണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. ഒരു വേർഡ് ഫയലോ ഒരു പെയിൻ ഫയലോ ഒന്നും നമുക്ക് കാണില്ല. We can see only folders in the left pane. Left pane is very small compared to right pane. Okay, right pane, the most of the window is covered by right pane, and left pane is very short. So Windows Explorer window is divided into Windows Explorer window is divided into two sections. One is left pane and next is right pane. Okay, so left pane contain all the drives and folders available in the computer. All the drives and folders available in the computer is displayed in the left pane of the Windows Explorer window, and right pane display all the subfolders and files present in the folder or drive that is selected in the left pane. Right pane la endakke kaana subfolders and files. Okay, files of the folder or drive that is selected in the left pane. Left pane la nammal select ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഫോൾഡറിന്റെയോ ഡയറക്ടറിയുടെയോ ഫോൾഡറിന്റെയോ ഡ്രൈവിന്റെയോ അണ്ടറിലുള്ള ഫോൾഡേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് subfolders and files are displayed in the right pane. In the left pane we cannot see any files. In the left pane we cannot see any files. We can see only folders and drives. Clear? So Windows Explorer window is divided into two sections, left pane and right pane. Okay, left pane contain all the drives and folders available in the computer, and right pane contain all the subfolders and files of folders or drives that is selected in the left pane. Understand? So Windows Explorer is a program that helps us to create and manage files and folders. Windows Explorer is a program that helps us to create and manage files and folders. Clear? Now we are going to see how can we make a new folder. See, yellow color things are folders, okay, and you can see some files. Now I select term 2 and you can see files, a Word file and a PDF file under the folder term 2 in the right pane. Now we are going to create a folder. See, we can create a folder under another folder. Now I have selected the folder term 2, and in the right pane I am going to create a subfolder under term 2. Oh, how can we create a folder? See, we can create folder anywhere. We can create folder on the desktop. We can create folder under documents. Anywhere we can create. But here I am going to show you how can we create a folder. We have to follow simple steps. What we have to do is, first we have to keep the mouse pointer in the right pane and right click on the mouse. Okay, first we have to keep the mouse pointer in the right pane and select and right click the mouse pointer. When we right click the mouse pointer, a pop-up menu will appear here. There you can see a option like new and select new option, and again we can see another menu. From there you can select folder. First we have to right click. What we have to do? First we have to right click in the right pane and select new option from the pop-up menu, and from next menu we have to select folder. So you can see new folder appear on the screen. By default, name of the folder will be like new folder. See, it is selected automatically. So we can type the name of the folder. I'm going to give the name sample. So for that, what we have to do, you just type the name of the folder. I'm going to give the name as sample. SAMPLE, sample. Sample is the name of my folder. So you should practice at home. Those who are having computer should practice creating folder, then creating file, then copying file from one folder to another folder. All these things you have to practice. Okay, and you have to listen the class carefully, and you have to practice at home. Those who are having computer. Okay, this chapter needs some lab session. Unfortunately, we couldn't meet in the school. So what you have to do? You have to practice at home. If you have any doubt, you can call me and I'll clarify. And I hope this video is give you an idea about creating all these things. So I have created a folder sample. Again, I am going to create another folder. Okay, new folder. Again I click on new, and then I select folder. Okay, again another folder. I am going to give the name as sample 2. Sample 2 is the name of my folder. Okay, sample and sample 2, two folders I have created. See, and if you want to open that folder, you just need to double click. You just need to double click to open that folder. Okay, and again I am going to the folder term 2. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to copy this PDF file to sample. So what I have to do, I just select the file and right click, and I select the option copy. See, I am going to copy. Okay, I am going to copy this file, copy, and then I double click on sample, and again I right click and select paste option to copy the file. See, now you can see the file inside the folder sample, and also you can see the same file in the term 2 inside term 2. Okay, so we have studied how to create a new folder, how to see, I explained about Windows Explorer, and then we studied how to create a folder. Okay, and how can we create, and next we are going to study how we can create a file inside a folder. For example, under sample we have a file like living and non-living thing. Again I am going to create a file. So for that, what I have to do is, you just click right click and select new, and after new you have to select Microsoft Word document. Okay, from the menu you can choose the program. So I am going to create a Word document, so I click on Microsoft Word document. Okay, new Microsoft Word document is created here, and all the folders and files are having name. Okay, here by default the name of the Word document is new Microsoft Word document. Instead of that we can give another name. For that we have to rename the file. For renaming a file, you just right click and select rename option. Okay, I'm going to give my word. Okay, file name as my word. So we create a file under the folder sample. Now, how can we delete this file? Again, right click and select delete option to delete a file. So we studied how to create a new folder, how to rename a file or folder, and how to copy a file. Okay, so many things we have learned. Okay, you just practice. In the next class also I will give you topic. Okay, next class also we can practice, or next class also we can revise, or this lab session. Okay children, so thank you so much. Bye.